I'm going to leave it to you to find the translation, inshallah, of this surah. But the point I want to raise is how Allah mentions the protection in Allah from shaitan and from the blowing into the knots. Blowing into the knots. That's the magic. So what the sister says is, I'd like to seek the forgiveness of Allah, but I heard that shirk is not forgiven by Allah. So what you heard is correct, but it is only correct if you die without seeking the forgiveness of Allah. But when you're alive, you seek forgiveness even from shirk, and Allah will forgive you. So when Allah says, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَغْفِرُ أَن يُشْرَكَ بِهِ وَيَغْفِرُ مَا دُونَ ذَلِكَ لِمَن يَشَاءُ. Allah will not forgive shirk against him, that is committed, which means association of partnership with him. But besides that, he will forgive whatever he wishes. He is talking about if you die and you have not yet repented. That's what he's talking about. He's not saying that there are sins that you will commit that I will never forgive. No. وَرَحْمَتِي وَسِعَتْ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ. He speaks about how his mercy encompasses absolutely everything. If a person